You were where?
I was up at the hardware store getting some screws. My employees called me, said there was some guy just sitting right over there on Dirk's property, which is our property too, because we own this whole property.
Sure.
So technically he's still on our property, although he's on the sidewalk. But he was in the parking lot. So since we own the whole property, he was still on our property. So
filming customers,
just filming customers, filming us. We asked him what he was doing. He said he didn't have to tell us. He didn't have to give us any information. Then I called you guys eventually because he just wouldn't leave, and gave him my phone number. And so now he's got people hitting me up.
But you guys do me solid. We just want to keep the peace, obviously, and we'll make it from here. Can you guys just go inside for me, and then we can keep the party separated? I appreciate it, guys. Sir, do you mind hanging out inside with him, and we'll come back and contact you guys?
I'm not going to discuss it. We got 3 units here now.
So pretty much he's just saying that he doesn't want him on the property filming customers and harassing them. He said that he pulled out pepper spray on one of the customers, and he's saying that he's causing a disturbance. That's pretty much what we have right now.
Okay. Cool. You probably brief modeling.
3 units.
You want brief modeling?
Can I get your name, sir?
Sergeant Montojo.
Sergeant Montella?
Montojo, yeah. How are you? How are you?
I'm good. I'm okay.
So what's going on? I missed it. I got here late, right?
These guys surrounded me because I was reporting. One of their customers threatened me to kick my ass.
These people or someone else?
No, he left.
Oh,
he took off after he threatened me. And I had to pull out the pepper spray. Didn't use it, but you know.
What? Can you explain to me what happened or how this all transpired?
I was just here recording. They didn't like it.
And were you on the private property or here on the sidewalk?
I was always on the public sidewalk.
And that's always 2 sides to every story, right? You know what I mean? So,
I never ever. And it's all recorded.
Sure.
So.
Okay. And so you're recording them just for the sake of recording, or?
I wanted to check it out, but then people started approaching me. And you know, then they started calling the cops, so I'm obligated to stay here.
Sure.
While you guys show up. So.
Yeah, I mean, you can stay here all day on the sidewalk. Right. We're just trying to understand what's going on today.
I want them to know that, you know. I want them to understand that.
Yeah.
Everyone has a right.
And I think we're getting conflicting information. What's your first name, sir?
I'm not going to tell you.
That's fine. I just want to address you personally, but they were saying...
Observer.
What they're saying is that you're on private property, so we're getting 2 sides of this.
Right.
2 different stories, 2 different people, right?
Fine.
So
if they have footage of that, I would definitely...
So all your footage is from you here on the sidewalk, pretty much? Okay. All right. Was there some kind of altercation between you and someone else here at the restaurant, or no? Was there one?
She came up to me. She
Who's
didn't like it
Sorry.
either.
Who's she?
I don't know. She's
no,
a
who?
customer.
Are you pointing someone, or?
No. A person from over there came up to me.
But not anyone here. Got it.
No.
Okay, got it.
It was nothing. She got kind of close, but nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing
Okay.
crazy.
All right. All right. Well,
we came for support.
Hi.
We watch him all the time, and I really was fishing in De La Vina, and I'm at Gelson's having lunch. So I drove right over here with my flag.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a megaphone, but I didn't want to take away from him.
I appreciate that.
How's your day going otherwise?
Oh, it's going good.
Yeah.
It's a nice day in the shade.
Looks like you actually brought the sun with you today, man.
Yeah, see?
It wasn't hot like this at all day.
No, I know. Yeah.
So the person you got into like an altercation with the pepper spray, that person's gone?
Yeah, well, it was a couple of them. It was the guy that came up to you guys at first.
The guy that was out here?
Yeah, the guy that was out here. He contacted her first.
Okay.
He started saying something about I need a permit, blah, 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 getting real close, surrounding me.
Get your back,
Surrounding me, and one of the other customers that was here with him, or here surrounded, like 2-way surrounded me. So that was it. Nothing. I wasn't really scared. But.
Good.
That's the guy.
I'm sorry?
That's the guy that.
That was with another customer.
With guy,
okay. Is there going to be any surveillance footage like that that's going to show you on their property like that, boss?
Nothing like that. Okay. I encourage you guys to look.
No, that's what we're asking. You know what I mean? We always try to ask people before we actually find anything different, right? You know what I mean? So we don't want to accuse people. Yeah, for sure.
I was on the sidewalk the whole time.
Yeah. Mod, careful, cars coming in.
So Maudlin Montojo, what's her name?
Trevino.
Trevino? Yeah.
me 1 second, sir.
Yep. I'm gonna go in the shade.
Yeah, go for it, man. What's the plan?
Huh?
Is there any... Give me 1 second, sir.
Yep. I'm gonna go in the shade over here.
Yeah, go for it, man.
Huh?
So after reviewing all the footage, it looks like Maudlin turned off his microphone first. Other than them turning off their microphones, they were actually pretty professional. But it's just super weird that right as soon as they're discussing the facts of the case and what the plan is, they turn off their microphones. Now, I just noticed that there's actually a little section of Maudlin's audio where he accidentally activates his microphone, or I'm not sure if it's accidental or whatnot, but here's a little extra.
I just happened to like give his number out while he happened to be live streaming, so it's not like.